Let's make these juicy Palestinian Arayes. They're stuffed kofta in pita bread. So delicious. Start off by grating your onion. You need to grate a full onion. Once you grate it, take all the water out and add it in a bowl with some minced beef. After that, add your minced garlic and then chop coriander and parsley together and add it in the bowl as well. And then you can chop any chili that you like. I like pickled jalapenos, so you can add that as well if you want. For spices, I've got 7 spice, cumin, paprika, garlic powder and onion powder, followed by some tomato paste, sumac, pomegranate molasses and salt and pepper and tiny bit of olive oil. Don't worry if the screen is going too quick. This recipe is going to be on my website. So mix it all until you get this kofta consistency. Add it in the fridge for 2 hours until it rests. Now you can find any of these pita in any shop. Once you get them, cut them in half and turn them into pockets and stuff your kofta meat inside of it. Brush it with some olive oil all around and grill it for a few minutes until it's ready. Now all these ingredients and instructions is going to be on my website and the link is in my bio at the moment. For the sauce, I added some yogurt, lemon juice, mint, some tahini, mixed it all together, and then I added some cucumber. You can add garlic if you want as well, and then mixed it all, and then here you have it. So refreshing, so nice. It's perfect to have on Sunday. As I said, I post recipes every single Sunday. If you like this one, make sure you follow so you can stay up to date with all these recipes, and go and have a look on my website for more recipes. See you next week.